Assalamu alaikum, hope so you all are good. I think video we will make micron. This is so easy, delicious recipe of microni, hope so you like it. Ingredients are gobi, carrot, shimla mirch, chili, chicken sauce as per taste. Boil microni. Add vegetables, mix it well until it cool. Mix jas ap pura din mix hod hin confused hodi hin. Ha ha ha. If you like my content, follow for more inox me for. And if you want to learn stitching technology, check my inbox. It's almost done. Now make chicken sauce, add ginger, lassen, cook for few minutes. Add chicken until its color light brown. And soy sauce, vinegar, and black pepper. Mix well. Eat it, enjoy. This is so simple recipe. Try at home. Thumbs up to appreciate and follow for more video. Allah Hafiz, subscribe.